Alisha formed a crater. That's the name that we have chosen for the new volcano in the Geldingadalir Valley. As you can see, the tremors are continuing. We are yet at the peak, so nothing has been reduced. It is more active even. I'm showing you the Nar and the Alisha together. Now I zoom on the Alisha, and you can see that there is a base for it. That's the lava is there. That's a base of lava. I use a still image actually to show that. I first show you the still image, then I mark the base of the lava, and that's the base of the lava. That's a flat surface. Then I show the top of where the flames or the lava is visible. Then I measure the distance between them. It's around 5 meters. It may increase a little bit, 1.5 meters more or less. And that's the height of it now. It has formed a crater. It is a volcano. It's not a vent. It's a volcano.